A warm stove, a simmering pot, and a sunset. Have you come to appreciate a certain kind of quiet? Food is everything we are. Despite the change, Ramadan will always be Ramadan. It's when the chaos is beautiful. Childhood memories of our first attempts to fast. It's a sunset that brings a new dawn, and the passion of the home cook. Food that lights up the soul. Even though the world is changing around us, Ramadan will always be Ramadan. It's not always pretty. It's not always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts. But what sometimes holds the Ma'luba together is faith. So are you challenging the traditional? Or are you playing it safe? Is it the glorious mess or the quick fix? Ramadan, as versatile as any recipe. A special connection. A reminder of a happy time. Comfort food. That family tradition. When a plate of food speaks a universal language. When you didn't get the cooking gene from your mother. Sharing, together or apart. Ramadan will always be Ramadan. This Ramadan, embrace the difference with MAGGI.